Hello, my name is Camilo Reynoso from the Synchronous Group. 1. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphic editor developed and published by Adobe from Windows and macOS. uTorrent has been praised for its small size and minimal computer resources used, which set it apart from other clients. Please start this info. It is a free open source software that allows you to monitor the status of hard disk drive (HDD) and solid state drive (SSD). Avast Antivirus is a family of cross-platform internet security applications developed by Gen Digital Inc. for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Avast offers free and paid products that provide computer security, browser security, antivirus software, firewall, anti-phishing, anti-spyware, and anti-spam, among other services. VirtualBoss. Users of VirtualBoss can load multiple guest OS under a single host operating system, host OS. Each guest can be started, paused, and stopped independently within its own machine, virtual machine, VM. NetBeans is an integrated development environment, IDE, for Java. NetBeans allows applications to be developed from a set of modular software components called modules. Borderless gaming easily force game into borderless for clean mode, eliminating the need to alternate tab out of the game and the risk of crashes or minimization. PC Remote Receiver is a remote control and game streaming utility application that mirrors your mobile device on your desktop computer, allowing you to use your device as a controller for video games and more by granting you the ability to turn your device into a keyboard, touchpad, gamepad and more. MyPony is a download manager which allows the automatic download of files from different hosting sites. FileZilla Client allows file transfer using both FTP and encrypted FTP such as HTTPS, server and client, and SFTP, with support for IPv6. ImageGrass, a lightweight, versatile image viewer. JackReader. It is a digital comic book reader and organizer compatible with different file formats such as CB3, CBR, RAR, CRC, and PDF. VRC Media Player is a free and open source portable cross-platform media player software and streaming media server. Software VPN Client Manager. With this software, you can create new connection configuration, manage virtual network adapter, and connect to the software VPN server. EMH is an optical disc authoring program that allows the recording of many types of CD, DVD, and Blu-ray images to recordable media. Microsoft Teams replaces other Microsoft-operated business messaging and collaboration platforms, including Skype for Business and Microsoft Classroom. MongoDB Compass is a free interactive tool for querying, optimizing, and analyzing your MongoDB data. Adobe Acrobat is a family of application software and web services developed by Adobe Inc. to view, create, manipulate, print and manage portal document format PDF files. JDownloader 2 or Java Downloader 2 is a free and open source download manager tool with a huge community that can make downloading as easy and fast as it should be. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight jet powerful source code editor developed by Microsoft. CodeBlock is a free, open source, cross-platform IDE that supports multiple compilers. Git is an application providing a command line interface to interact with Git repositories on Windows operating system. It emulates a bash environment common in Linux and macOS, allowing users to execute Git command and other Unix utilities. StarUML is a software engineering tool for system modeling using the Unified Modeling Language, as well as System Modeling Language and Classical Modeling Notation. HDD regeneration is a live application that will detect and repair physical bus sector magnetic error on a hard disk surface. Steam Client includes a digital storefront called the Steam Store Tool, which users can purchase games. Once the game is bought, a software license is permanently attached to the user's Steam account, allowing them to download the software on any compatible device. Microsoft Word has been the de facto standard word processing software since the 1990s when it describes WordPerfect. Microsoft Excel. The Windows version of Excel supports programming through Microsoft Visual Basic for Application, VBA, which is a dialect for Visual Basic. Programming with VBA allows spreadsheet manipulation that is awkward or impossible with standard spreadsheet techniques. Microsoft PowerPoint. It is used to communicate ideas from information or messages in a visual and attractive way, both in professional, educational, or personal environment. iTunes is a media player, media library, and mobile device management (MDM) utility developed by Apple. It is used to purchase, spray, download, and organize digital multimedia on personal computers. Media Player Classic is a family of free and open source compact, lightweight, and customizable media player for 32 and 64-bit Microsoft Windows. Sketchbook is a raster graphic software app intended for expressive drawing and composite sketching, also for making animation. E-Reader Prestigio is a multilingual, multi-format text and audiobook reading app. Intuitive interface in over 25 languages and in-app store library with over 50,000 tests for children and adults, books, and text-to-speech read-along functionality. Dual camera. Capture an amazing scene with a rear camera and include your live reaction with the front camera. WinRAR is a hardware file archive utility. It can create and view archives in RAR or zip file format and unpack numerous archive file formats. InDrive. In the InDrive app, all conditions of the trip are determined as a result of an agreement between passengers and drivers. Ether S2. This is a PlayStation 2 emulator for Android devices, which will allow us to play any of the many titles in the catalog of the Sony second console. Dolphin was the first GameCube emulator that could successfully run commercial games. After software developed in the first years, Dolphin became free and open source software, and subsequently gained support for Wii emulation. Telegram is a cloud-based cross-platform social media and instant messaging IM service. Uber. It coordinates an average of 28 million trips per day and has coordinated 48 billion trips since its inception in 2010. CPO3 is a freeware system providing a monitoring application for Microsoft Windows and Android that detects the central processing unit, RAM, motherboard, chipset, and other hardware features of a modern personal computer or Android device. GIF format is a lightweight Windows tool for formatting USB drives with a FAT32 file system, even for drives larger than 32 GB. HDD low-level format tool, HDD LLF. It is a tool that allows you to low-level format hard drive, which involves releasing all data and redefining the physical structure of the disk. Rufus the reliable USB formatting utility with Source. It's a free and open source portable application for Microsoft Windows that can be used to format and create whatever USB flash drive or live USBs. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack packages developed by Apache Friends, consisting mainly of the Apache HTTP server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for script writing in the PHP and Perl programming languages. MySQL Workbench is a visual database design tool that integrates SQL development, administration, database design, creation, and maintenance into a single integrated developed environment for MySQL database system. Wireless Network Watcher is a smart utility that scans your wireless network and displays the list of all computers and devices that are currently connected to your network. GIN, GNU is Image Manipulation Program. It's a free and open source raster graphic editor. It is commonly used for photo retouching, image editing, freehand drawing, and converting between different image file formats. HFS, HTTP File Server, is a free web server specifically designed for publishing and sharing files. The complete feature set different from other web servers. It lacks some common features like CGI or even ability to run as a Windows service, but includes, for example, counting file, counting file aloud. Wizard up from USB. It allows users to combine different Windows and Linux-based operating systems on a single USB drive, providing a convenient way to install or run multiple operating systems on different computers. Xbox 360 Controller Emulator, S360CE. Allow you control gamepad, joystick, steering wheel, pedal, etc. to function on your PC as an Xbox 360 controller. It allows you to remove buttons and axes and to drive cars with a steering wheel and pedal, or to fly plane with joystick and throw in games like Grand Theft Auto or Sunroad. Gracias.